Okay, so here's a new perspective on when and how you give your price. This is essential if some of you are getting a, oh, I don't know after a price, or I'll think about it after you give the price, and you don't know really where the problem is. And here it is, there's a two-part process to this. So first up, explain the value. Do your consulting, understand the need, work with them and show them that you've got this great solution. Explain how they're going to win by that. Then trial close. You haven't given the price yet, but you ask them, can you see how that's going to help fix that problem? What do you think? And if they're like, yeah, that's exactly what we're after, they've now earned the right to hear your price, which is step 2. That's the point where you say, okay, well, it runs, monthly at this price. And then if they have a problem, you know that it's price where the issue is. You can work through a payment plan or deal with it in whatever way you need to, but you know it's not the issue itself being around the value because you already established they wanted it. If you get I don't really know, for the first one, like maybe that will help, I suppose, or how much is it? What they're looking for is, because it doesn't really feel that exciting, they're looking for some point of differentiation. So maybe the price will help instead. Don't give the price yet. They're not ready. Everything that people don't want is expensive, no matter what the price. Everything people do want that isn't, it is just not expensive. People don't have a problem with spending money on something that they really, really want. So if they see the value, the price will make sense. If they don't see the value, price will be a problem. So it's really simply, when they say, oh, I don't know, yeah, maybe, then they're not ready to hear the price. You don't go to step 2, get back in there and understand where the problem is. Okay, it feels like I lost you there. What's missing? Like, where are we not feeling like it's gonna really help you out? That's essential to fix before you move on to the price. When you put it all together, as most people do, what you end up with is, here's how we work and here's the price. And if they say, I don't know, you can't work out there whether or not it's the price or if it's the value itself. So it's important to separate them. Try it. This made all the difference for me because it allowed me to make sure I was only giving the price when I knew that they wouldn't feel subjectively that it was expensive, and they were quite happy to pay for it because they already suggested they wanted to buy it. Moreover, when they say out loud they want to buy it, they've just sold themselves that much more because they've heard their own voice say, do you know what? I want this. Try it. Let me know in the comments how it goes. If you want to see more about how to get your messaging right so that people pay attention and actually engage with you, check these videos out. There's so much more you can be doing. The little changes make a massive difference.